Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps crashing on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps crashing on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. After that you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.